guys, welcome to Lolly's cooking channel. You're welcome. How are you guys doing? How's your day? Do you want to learn how to make samosa? Stay with me. Let's make this samosa together. Very crispy. Let's make it together. Okay, for my samosa beef filling, blended beef, 700-gram blended beef. I have in here 2 spring onions, 1 medium onions. I have my oil. I have oregano, black pepper, salt, then soy sauce, and seasoning cube. So let's get into it. God bless you. So I have a pot on. I'll turn off my gas. I will allow my pot to get hot and I'll pour my oil in it. So I'm going to be pouring in my oil. My pot is hot enough. I'll allow the oil to get heated up. So my oil is heated up. I'll pour in my onion. I'm going to be pouring the spring onion in. Put in some salt. Allow it to saute for a minute or two. So I'm going to be pouring in its saute and it's already having color. So I'm going in with my beef. You can get this blended beef in your supermarket, and if you don't get, you can also chop up your meat, cook and chop it up. You cook it and chop it up, or you chop your beef the way you do your meat pie. So I'm going to match it up. Now I'm going to be adding in my oregano, my black pepper. So you can add in any seasoning that you like. My curry. If you're a garlic lover, you can add in your garlic. And I'm going to allow it to simmer for a while. So it still has some liquid in. I'm going to allow my liquids to get dry. So I'm going to be I'll add in my cube seasoning. I'm adding into cube. seasoning. I'm adding in carrots. And I'm going to be adding in a little of soy sauce, just a little. So I'm going to allow it to cook and get my carrot a little soft. So I'm going to allow it to cook for a while, just a little more, and we're done. So here is it. I'm going to be putting a little tomato paste, just a little of it to get my color out. So I'm going to be testing for salt. I'll just add a pinch of salt. Here, here we go. It's ready. So I'm putting it in my bowl. So now we're going to be testing how we're going to fill in our samosa. So now I'm having water. This is flour. So I'm going to be adding some water for my paste. I'm mixing some water in for my paste. So I'll be setting it aside. You need your brush. So let's go into it. I'll be folding. And I'll use this to brush it over. I'll fold it again. And I'll be brushing it over again. So there is a pocket here. I'm going to fill in my spring and my veggie in. Use your hand to push it down. Fill your pocket, use your hand to pull it down. Then carry it this way to the side. So it goes this way. We're going to glue it. The next way. So we're having this open. We're going to put in our filling and use our hand to push it down. Now glue. And go. So I'm going to glue all here. Glue. And this give you your wrap. This is how you wrap your samosa. It's hot. I'm going to be frying my samosa. So see, goes into the fire. Just pushing it in. So we allow it to fry. So turning it to the side is good if you use a deep fry. So the rest I'm going to be putting it in the freezer so that I fry when I need. So it's golden brown. Allow it to get golden brown. My mouth cannot stop crunching things. Allow it to be golden brown. I'm going to be putting it in my bowl, and my bowl I put kitchen towel on it to soak the oil.